Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money on the TikTok creativity program. First and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old to be eligible for the TikTok Creator Rewards program. This ensures that users are legally adults and capable of entering into contracts. You must have a minimum of 10,000 followers on your TikTok account. This indicates that you have a significant audience interested in your content. Your videos need to have garnered at least 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days. This demonstrates that your content is engaging and has a wide reach within the TikTok community. It is essential to have a personal TikTok account that is in good standing. Business accounts are not accepted for the program, so ensure that your account adheres to TikTok's guidelines and policies. You must abide by TikTok's community guidelines, ensuring that your content is appropriate and doesn't violate any of the platform's rules. The TikTok Creator Rewards Program's beta is currently available in specific regions, including the US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the UK. Check if your location is eligible, as TikTok plans to expand the program to more regions in the future. Open your web browser and search for DFOI Dave. Click on the first link that appears. Here you will find an exclusive done-for-you service for online creators, backed by industry experts with a track record of successful channels and brands. Scroll down on the page to gather more information about the services offered by DFY Dave. In a new tab, search for First Format and click on the first link. This website offers simple company formation services with over 1 million companies formed in the UK. You can enter your desired company name to check its availability. Next, search for Privately in your web browser and click on the first link. Privately helps entrepreneurs incorporate their companies and has provided top-notch financial services since 2019. Scroll down to explore more details about Privately's offerings. Open another tab and search for TikTok. Click on the first link to access the TikTok platform. Search for specific TikTok accounts, such as SquarePants Thoughts, and explore their content to gather inspiration. Continue exploring other TikTok accounts, such as Mystery Insights and the Reddit Story, to see the variety of content being created on the platform. Let us check out the suggested 10 faceless TikTok niches to potentially gain lots of views, including DIY and life hacks, cooking and recipe tutorials, fitness and workout motivation, fashion and style inspiration, clothing hauls, outfit ideas, and drawing tutorials, travel and exploration, and funny comedy skits. To create 5 TikTok ideas for the topic, top 5 facts about Europe in a visually appealing, engaging, and informative manner, while ensuring each reel is no longer than 30 seconds and provides value to the audience. Ideal one is you can create historical landmarks that can showcase iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Colosseum, and Big Ben, with quick facts overlaying each image. For it, you can use hashtags such as hashtag EuropeFacts, hashtag travel trivia, hashtag historical sites. You can use caption, explore Europe's rich history through its timeless landmarks. Hashtag travel Europe, hashtag explore history. Idea 2 is to create videos on cultural diversity that highlights diverse cultures across Europe through vibrant festivals, traditional dances, and colorful costumes. For it, you can use hashtags such as hashtag cultural heritage, European traditions, global celebrations. You can use caption as from Oktoberfest in Germany to Carnival in Venice. Europe's cultural tapestry is as diverse as it is captivating. Hashtag celebrate culture. Idea 3 is to create natural wonder showcase Europe's breathtaking landscapes, from the fjords of Norway to the beaches of Greece, accompanied by interesting facts about each location. For it, you can use hashtags natural beauty, scenic Europe, explore outdoors. You can use the caption, discover the awe-inspiring beauty of Europe's natural wonders. Nature lovers, hashtag wanderlust. Idea 4 is culinary delights. Feature mouth-watering dishes from different European countries, accompanied by fun facts about their culinary traditions. For this, you can use hashtags, European cuisine, foodie facts, taste of Europe. Caption, indulge in a culinary journey across Europe, from French pastries to Italian pasta. Hashtag food exploration, hashtag tasty treats. Idea 5 is an architectural marvel showcase the stunning architecture of Europe, from medieval castles to modern marvels, paired with intriguing historical tidbits. You can use hashtag architectural wonders, Euro design, buildings of Europe. You can use captions as explore Europe's architectural heritage, where every structure tells a story of the past and present. Hashtag design inspiration. Open a new tab and search for eye candy. Click on the first link to access the website to find visually appealing pictures. Choose relevant pictures related to Europe's landmarks, culture, nature, cuisine, and architecture and download them. Open CapCut, a video editing app, and import the downloaded images. Edit the images as needed to create a visually appealing reel. Open 11 Labs and copy the paragraph generated by ChatGPT. Paste the paragraph into 11 Labs and generate the audio. Play the audio to ensure it matches the content of the reels. Download the audio. Go back to CapCut and apply the audio to the reels. Adjust the timing and add captions, if necessary, to optimize the reach of the reels. Fine-tune the settings and download the completed reels. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.